Models predicted the fire's trajectory, its speed, and even its intensity. Disaster response teams were no longer playing catch-up with the blaze, they were staying one step ahead. The deployment of resources was another area where AI made a substantial impact. Prioritizing resource allocation in a disaster is a daunting task, but AI brought clarity to the chaos. By analyzing the fire's progression and potential path, AI helped determine where resources were needed most, allowing for a more strategic, efficient use of manpower and equipment. The collaboration between AI researchers and disaster response teams was key in harnessing this technology. Researchers provided the tools, and the teams on the ground put them to use, creating a synergy that amplified the effectiveness of response efforts. This case illustrates the transformative potential of AI in disaster response and recovery. The California wildfires of 2020 were a testament to the power of AI, not just as a tool, but as a partner in disaster management. But what are the key takeaways from this discussion? AI's role in disaster response and recovery is neither a fantasy nor a distant future scenario. It's here, and it's making a world of difference. We've seen the potential of AI in disaster response and recovery with its power to optimize resource allocation and enhance search efforts. We've witnessed its practical application in the real-world case of the California wildfires, where AI played a crucial role in monitoring the spread of fire and guiding evacuation strategies. The collaboration between AI researchers and disaster response teams has opened up new possibilities. Their joint efforts are helping to fine-tune AI systems, allowing them to learn and adapt from each disaster, improving their effectiveness and efficiency with each passing event. This synergy is creating a future where disaster response is faster, more effective, and more precise than ever before. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, its role in disaster response and recovery will only become more significant, changing the game in ways we can only begin to imagine.